Welcome to how to change number in Amazon. So in this video we are going to show you how to change number in Amazon. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing that you will do, you will just open up the Amazon app and then you will go to your profile, then go to your accounts option here, tap on your accounts and then basically scroll down and tap on login and security and then tap on allow, and it will enter your password. So I will just enter my password here, sign into this. So I will just basically sign in. Let me just sign in. And just sign in. Skip the password next time. Password and just go to the login and security option, and here you can see that we have this option where it says primary mobile number. So if you have already added any number here, you can just simply tap on add option here and you can basically remove the previous number and add your new number. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.